Welcome to the show. Before we uncover the details, that usually keep people up way past their bedtime. Make sure you're subscribed. We cover topics that are definitely not family-friendly in the traditional sense, but they are absolutely essential for those who appreciate a deeper level of engagement. Don't just watch. Join the club. You'll thank me later. I'm currently standing on Wuling Road in Chongqing. I saw a post on social media claiming this place is absolutely legendary. And frankly, some of the stories sounded a bit spicy. So I figured, why not? Now the catch is, the post is a year old. In a city that moves this fast, a year is basically a century. I have no idea if the magic is still here, or if I'm just chasing ghosts. But hey, half the fun is finding out, right? If you're not in the mood for the long walk and just want to see the real highlight of this trip, skip ahead to 726. Trust me, that's where the magic happens. Don't say I didn't warn you. Well, strike one. No sign of the extracurricular activities I was told to look for. Everything here looks perfectly wholesome. None of these spots have that mysterious late-night edge I was expecting. It's almost like this place actually has laws and standards. How disappointing, right? To be real with you guys, I came back here at night. Not much has changed, except for a few friendly local guides hanging around the stairwell now. I'm guessing you guys probably don't want to see the shady pitch I got, right? But hey, if you actually do want to see how these guys try to lure me into their secret spots, let me know in the comments. I'll see if I can make that happen. And here we are, back on this familiar turf. If you've seen my previous videos, you already know the vibe. Yeah, I've hit this spot before. But this time around, I'm digging deeper. Let's just say, I left some stones unturned last time, and I'm determined to see what's actually going on behind the scenes. Trust me, it gets interesting. See that shop covered in all those plants up ahead? That place is arguably the neighborhood's best-kept secret. It definitely isn't selling flowers, if you catch my drift. Let's head inside and see what kind of business is actually going on behind those vines. Look at this crowd. Absolutely packed. Everyone's just here for the drinks, of course. I guess when the Chongqing sun starts burning, even the most, let's say, sophisticated clients need a place to hydrate. It's definitely the coolest spot on the block, in more ways than one. I've heard there's another refreshment spot just across the way. That's supposedly even more active. Let's head over and see if the rumors are true, shall we? Looks like this place is officially closed for the day. Bummer. Let's head over to the other side of the street. I want to check if those hair salons we visited last time are still holding down the fort. Honestly, this Chongqing heat is absolutely brutal. I'm about 2 minutes away from passing out. Here's our first hair salon. Looks like there's quite a lineup already inside. Not really my style, I'm not one for waiting. Let's see if the next spot has better availability. Wait, did I take a wrong turn? Honestly, looking at this hair salon, I feel like I just walked into someone's living room. Might have made a mistake here. Time to pivot. Oops, definitely the wrong place. They all have such a similar aesthetic, don't they? I'm just here for a trim, but it seems like I'm exploring everything. Except a barbershop. Let's keep moving. Looks like this barbershop has a bit of a wait too, with customers already lined up inside. Not worth the hassle today. Let's just keep moving. I think I've taken a wrong turn again. Seriously, in Chongqing, it's getting hard to tell a shop from someone's living room. Not the kind of service I'm looking for. I'm out. Well, I think I've stumbled into some sort of private skincare studio. The aesthetic is a bit too intense for me. Yeah, I'm definitely in the wrong place. Well, I finished up for the day. Honestly, I did get a trim, but the shop was a total letdown. The service was robotic and completely lacked any personal touch. Definitely not worth the 30 bucks I paid. Guess it's hit or miss with these local spots. I'm done with that place. Honestly, some of these local spots are a total maze, and you never know what you're gonna find behind the door. If you want to see more of these hidden corners, drop a super like and let me know in the comments. See you later.